All right, what's up, everyone? I have been saying for the longest time I'm going to be doing some food reviews. Ooh, it's a nice Forerunner next to me. I'm going to be doing food reviews and food like first impressions. Having a bit of a cheat day. I've been cutting the goal weight's been 195 for a while, and I've been really fluctuating, sitting around 202, 204. I was 204 this morning, so we have to lock in. I just want to touch 195 one day, like just for one morning. But right here we have, what is it called? The I'll have it in the title. It is the Dairy Queen Mixing Bowl Blizzard. Now this bad boy for a large, I'll also throw the calories, is like 1,800 calories for this whole thing. My cutting weight, what brought me from like recently from 210 to like 202, 204, 2,100 calories. This whole thing is my daily allotted calories. Now, they freaking jam packed this thing, and hopefully they gave me some freaking napkins. They didn't. Luckily, I have some car napkins, some console napkins. Look at this. Look, oh my goodness. That's wild. They jam packed this. I'm gonna have to, like, the lid is compressing it. I'm just ready to eat this. I'm so excited for this blizzard. Let's see how this bad boy is. 1,800 calories by $8. Mm, okay. Hmm. Okay. Mm, oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm not even reviewing it. I'm just eating it right now. Mm, oh yeah. I see why this is 1,800 calories. This thing right here is amazing. It's supposed to be, I believe it's cookie dough and brownie bits. Something like that. It's like cookie dough brownie, or yeah, chocolate chip cookie dough and something else. It's like pretty much two blizzards put together. Well, oh yeah, I'm tasting the cookie dough very prominently. Trying to eat with my mouth closed. Whenever I eat ice cream, I don't know why. I like chew with my mouth open because my teeth are so sensitive. I'm trying not to do that for you guys. Hmm. But yeah, I'm gonna get this raw and uncut. I'm gonna hit that 8 minute mark. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. You know, this is what I've been doing recently. I've been like really good cutting at 2,100 calories, and then I'll go like 3, 4, 5 days, real strict, real, sticking to it, not going over. Working 5 days a week, 45 hours a week, going to the gym 3 to 4 times a week. So I've been sitting at 202. I've had some high days of 206, like for cheat meals like this. Like tomorrow, I'll definitely be like 206. But, sitting at 202, 206, I'm already relatively lean. So this has just been my cheat meal. Like once a week, I've been doing like a cheat meal. And the past like 2 or 3 weeks has been blizzards. Now I've had the new Superman cookie dough one. That one's all right. I've had obviously Oreo Blizzard. I haven't had the mint Oreo in a while. It's been a minute, but I've done the Heath Blizzard was really good. The Butterfinger Blizzard was really good. There's no Blizzard I dislike, honestly. This one's really good. It's really good. I think off the top of my head, it's good. Don't get me wrong, but it's definitely not a favorite of mine. This one's probably going to be maybe a top five. Hmm. On the Oreo Blizzard, that is the number one best Blizzard. I'd eat that every day. That Butterfingers Blizzard, though, man, I wish I did a review on that one. That one was like, that one was good. That one was really good. Hmm. eight. I'm only like like a fifth or a sixth of the way through this. Yeah, cook it up. It's there. The brownie bits, which I think it is, it's there. Overall, I'd give this Blizzard, man. I'd give it. I'm real. I'm real critical of food. I'd give this one a 7.5. That's my gut feeling. 7.5. It's not the Butterfingers one, and it's not the 10 out of 10 Oreo one. What's there? Mm. Mm. That was a good bite. Mm. Let me know though. Let me know though. I want to review tons of different foods. I probably want to go down the whole list of this Oreo Blizzard. I forgot to even grab a thumbnail. This might be my thumbnail right here. Sorry, I'm gonna keep that in the video just to keep it candid with you guys. That pointing at my, I have OCD, so sometimes I like compulsively thinking like, oh, did I spill something? That's TMI. But hmm, it's so good. I love my cheat meals, man. I love them. Because eating 2,100 calories a day, yeah, I'm hungry all the time. I'm one of the guys that I have a really big appetite, so when I'm putting on weight, super easy to eat a ton. When I'm cutting weight, man, it's so tough. It's so tough to cut weight because I just get so hungry. I get so hungry all the time. I'm just ranting. It's not even a review, man. This is just a freaking. I'm just eating a blizzard, talking about life. Yeah, this is easily a 7.5. I'd eat it again. Not my first choice. Mm, that's pretty much it. I'm running out of things to talk about. I'm trying to hit 8 minutes because I think if your videos went 8 minutes long, it helps with the algorithm. So that's what I'm trying to do. Walk behind my car. Mm. Well, yeah, let me know down below, guys. Give me suggestions. I think I'm going to be doing the probably the whole Blizzard menu will probably be the first one. So anytime I have a cheat meal, I'll get a different flavor. I'll review it. I guess I want a 7.5. Like and subscribe. If you guys enjoyed this. A lot of rambling in this review, but it got my point across. It tastes like cookie dough. I really like it. I would eat it again. I'd give this a 7.5. Like and subscribe. I'm going to enjoy this. I'm out. Bye.